Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, May 16th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please go ahead and post your attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. The library is closed for inventory. Please make sure you send any library books to the library as soon as possible. Tier 2 pull-out services with the retired teachers will end Tuesday, May 17th. Also be on the lookout for PST information coming soon. All SRIPs and SIPs should be updated with HMH iReady and progress monitoring data. Also this week, late duty, we have Ms. Check, Ms. Weaver, Ms. Washam, Ms. Wolf, and Ms. Heichman. Important dates. Summative conferences begin today. May 18th, we have PST and the Volunteer Appreciation Brunch. May 19th, we have PLT. May 24th, we have Class Party Day and 5th grade transition program. May 26th is the last day for students, and May 27th is Teacher Work Day. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.